My name is Vrinda Patel. I work as an RN, and I went to Rasmussen University where I got my Bachelor's of Science in Nursing. My grandma was the person who always showed me and reminded me to give myself more credit than I do. She passed away 20 years after being off of the ventilators. My mom was told that my grandma would only have maybe a couple minutes to a couple hours. So they signed the paperwork for DNR. 5 hours went by, she was still with us. 6 hours went by, 20 years later, she was still with us. Getting that second chance to having a grandparent, I don't know where I would be. I don't think I would be here today in the nursing world if I didn't see her make it out of the medical trauma she went through. 2020 was a rough year for both of us. My brother was graduating nursing school and I was graduating high school with our parents halfway across the world. It was COVID, they were stuck in India, couldn't get a flight back, so we were both in our graduating years alone. Classes abruptly transitioned to online, and I saw how much Rasmussen helped him. Seeing him graduate in COVID with all the support that they had given, it pushed me to go there as well because I knew I didn't want to go to just any university. I would need some help navigating the college experience, and I saw that with him. They truly helped him get to where he needed to be.
Vrinda and I work at the same hospital. She's a compassionate nurse. She gives her patients the time that they need, listens to them, talks to them. I hear from different reports from the nursing team and leadership team whenever I'm in management meetings, and I just check in with the manager, hey, how's she doing? And they're like, she's doing great, patients love her. It's great to hear that.
To save a patient's life is definitely very rewarding, to say the least. I had a patient was in for heart failure. I went in to do my hourly rounding and said patient was not responding, and then he went into an abnormal cardiac rhythm, turned into a code blue. I've participated in codes before, but not on my own patient. So when it becomes your own patient, you become charge of the room. And I will tell you, the very real world simulation experiences at Rasmussen was truly one of those things that made this event a great turnout. And my grandmother would definitely be proud. She would be sitting here right next to me holding my hand telling me that I did it. There is a huge realm of differences in the nursing world versus any other career. It can hit you all at once. Are you ready for the academic challenge? Are you ready for the actual work challenge? Are you ready?